Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott and this is the 30,000 subscriber portfolio reveal. I want to first say thank you so much for subscribing and commenting. I've learned so much more about finance and the stock market just by doing this channel. My best performing stock is Berkshire Hathaway. In previous videos, Facebook was my #1 percent gainer, then S&P 500. But now it's Berkshire, up over 100%. I bought one A share back in 2017, and you can see the price paid, $262,000. My S&P 500 is up 85%. I'm down 5% on Facebook, but if I did this video a month ago, I would have been down 10 or 15%. I bought Facebook in 2017, that's up almost 50%. But a few months ago, I bought Facebook and that's down 34%. It was down 50% at one point. I also bought Johnson & Johnson a few months ago. That's up about 7%. I bought Energy Transfer a few months ago. That's doing really well, up 27%. ET is a master limited partnership. So I'm not a stockholder of the company, I'm a partner. That's why it says PTP right here, publicly traded partnership. Intel is down 11%. I also bought that a few months ago. Alibaba down 16%. That was down around 30 to 40% at its peak. And I own the ETF PDP. PDP is an Invesco exchange traded momentum ETF. The largest holding is Apple, then O'Reilly Automotive, then the REIT American Tower. I did a video on them. Nvidia, I did a video really recently on them. West Pharmaceutical, not too familiar with that company. Domino's Pizza, Monolithic Power Systems, Copart, I believe I did a video on them at one point. Danner and Cadence Design, not too familiar with that company. Then Apcellera, I doubled up a few months ago. I'm down 26% overall on that one. And my smallest holding is Kraft Heinz. That's up about 6%. Overall, the portfolio is up 46%. Here's my other portfolio. Spiders is my biggest. That's up 48%. Amazon up 26%. Costco up 68%. XLY, that's up 60%. XLY is a consumer discretionary ETF. The largest holding in XLY is Amazon, then Tesla, Home Depot, McDonald's, Nike, Lowe's, Starbucks, Target, Booking Holdings, and TJX. Not too familiar with TJX. Next is Pfizer, that's up 50%. Then IWR up 42%. IWR is a Russell Midcap ETF. The largest holdings is Marvell, then Palo Alto Networks, Pioneer Natural Resources, Marathon Petroleum, Synopsys, Archer Daniels, Dexcom, Occidental Petroleum, IDEX, and McKesson. Then I have BABA, that's down 10%. Netflix down 7%. My biggest percent gainer is Apple, up 135%. And when I bought the Apple stock, it was well over 1 trillion market cap, and it's still my biggest percent gainer. Google down 7%, and I have a bond that's up 4.5%. This is a Credit Suisse bond with a 7% fixed interest rate. It expires in 2024. Thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of my community. It means a lot to me. And I'll continue making videos every day as long as you continue watching and commenting. Let me know what you think. Give this video a like, subscribe, or comment below. Also, if you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.